Anderson, and this video is about savings annuities and payout annuities. Okay, so savings annuities are often just called annuities, which is why the formula over here just says annuity formula. All right, payout annuities is the payout annuity formula. The difference is savings or regular annuities is about you putting money in on a regular basis, like every month or every year, something like that, saving it up. The payout annuity, what's happening is money is being taken out on a regular basis. Again, every month, every year, something like that. And then for this one, the what it tells you, this is P0, you'll notice at the end, that's how much money you have to have in there to start to make it, to be able to take that much money out for that period of time. Over here, the PN tells you how much money you've saved up by putting money in regularly for that amount of time. All right, so let's have a look. We're going to do the savings annuity or the plain old annuity first. A traditional individual retirement account, IRA, is a special type of retirement account in which the money you invest is exempt from income taxes until you withdraw it. If you deposit $250 each month, $250 so a month, all right, earning 8%, how much will you have in 30 years? All right, so what is this? How do we do this? So here's our formula up top, right? Oops, went a little too far. Okay, so just plugging in, they've told us the D this time and asked for the PN. The other way sometimes they'll do this is they'll tell us the PN and ask what the D would be. So let's do this straightforward. We're going to get PN, all right, P30, if you will. Now, so I'm going to type this into it just the way you would put it into Excel. You go equals, right? It's $250 a month. You have to do your multiplication symbol before the parentheses. That's sort of the one quirk of Excel. You have two parentheses, 1 plus 0.08 divided by 12, close parenthesis, you're just looking at the thing, caret, now we're up to the exponents, we've got to do the caret. Now it's 12 times per year for 30 years. 12 times 30 is 360, so I'm going to write the 360 in right there. Look at the formula now, it's -1, close parenthesis. Now, I will say if you're doing this in a calculator instead of Excel, for some calculators, you got to be very careful that when you go after the 360, you're going to put in the -1, you got to make sure that you get the cursor down out of the exponent line, right? If that's what's happening, usually a right arrow key will do that. All right, so we're up here to this parenthesis. Now we're going to do our fraction bar, so divide, open parenthesis, 0.08. All right, divided by 12. This turns out to be 372,589 and 86 cents. All right. Now, so the other thing they might do is give you the PN and ask you for the D. So let's do another one where it's going to be exactly the same situation, okay? Except that they're going to give us the PN. They're going to tell us, hey, P30 is $400,000, right? And they're going to, 400,000, and they're going to ask us, what's D? Okay, everything else is the same. So what we would do then is you put 400,000 in. Over here to the left, the equal sign for the PN. Got a D times. Now, because in this case, all the other numbers were the same as the last time, we're going to write everything else we write in here will be the same. Right? 0.08 divide 12. Okay, caret 360 -1 divided by open parenthesis 0.08 divide 12. Now, we're looking for D, right? So what we got to do is divide both sides by this whole mess. Okay. Now, see, remember this is a fraction, right? It's this mess here over this what's in this parenthesis. When you divide by a fraction, what do? Remember, you multiply by the reciprocal, right? So what that comes out to be then is we get the 400,000 times what we have to put on our time symbol times the 0.08 divided by 12, right? Now divide, and then the rest of it. 1 plus, actually it's 2 parentheses, almost forgot. So divide, open parenthesis, 1 plus 0.08 divided by 12, close parenthesis, exponent, 360 minus 1, close parenthesis. Okay? Almost forgot. And you need to always start with the equal symbol, right, for Excel, because equals tells Excel to do a command. All right, so you type all that in, and what you get then is 268.39. Now, if you'll notice, the 400,000 as an end value is a little bit bigger than the 372,589, right? And so as a result, we got a monthly amount, 268. It was a little bit bigger than the other monthly amount. All right, so now let's go look at the payout annuity formula. Okay, so I'm going to have to be a little bit careful here. I kind of using up a little too much space there. It's a very similar situation. Okay, the formula is a little different. They're going to give us the numbers. All right, after retiring, you want to be able to take $4,000 every month for a total of 30 years from your retirement account. Okay, the account earns 8% interest. How much will you need in your account when you retire? All right, so you're reading the numbers out. You want to take out $4,000 every month. That's your D. The interest rate's 0.08 because of 8%. It's monthly, so case 12 again, and it's 30 years, and it's 30. So what we're going to do is we're just going to plug it right in, right? And I'll write it out the way that you would to put it in Excel. And we'll write a little smaller here, I guess, to fit this thing in. So we need our equal sign. And then we need, let's see, the D is 4,000. Open parenthesis, 1 minus, open parenthesis. I'm just looking right up here and just writing it in. Oh, almost forgot. We needed to put our multiplication symbol in there. All right, so let me start that over. Equals 4,000, multiplication, open parenthesis, 1 minus, right, the multiplication is the asterisk. 1 minus, open parenthesis, 1 plus, R is 0.08, divided by 12, close parenthesis. Now notice the exponent this time is negative NK. So again, it's 30, it's negative this time, 30 times 12, so that's negative 360. So put in my exponent symbol, negative 360, okay, close parenthesis. Now we've got our fraction bar, so divide, open parenthesis, 0.08, divide by 12, okay? And so then what comes out, to be able to take out $4,000 a month at 8% for 30 years, you need $545,000, $545,133 and then 98 cents. All right, so that's a nice chunk of change, right? Sometimes, right, this time they gave us the D and asked us for the PO. They could do it the other way. They could give us the initial amount to put in and ask the D how much is going to come out every month. And you just have to do the same kind of process we've done on the other ones. All right, so that is it for the savings versus the payout annuities. I hope you found it helpful.